To your own thoughts, do you think this can really happen?
It might happen. Wambia nifikishe 10k. Tuone kama
People,
it's me here again, Maggie Online TV. Yeah, where you get the best content about love and everything that you love, guys. Today I'm so happy because we are now doing something, because last time we were 4 subscribers and now we are 5k. That means it's addition of 1k, and I'm so happy today. So let's road to 10,000. I guess watu wenye wamekuwa subscribe is for the only Maggie Online TV. I can see the fans of the likes of More Classic TV, JB TV Show, April. So I don't know where are you, but mnaona tukifika pale 10k, I think tunaweza funga harusi. Kama tujafika 10k, hakuna harusi tunafunga. So tuone, let's do it. Tukifika 10k, vitenge nazo mwanze kushona. Lakini kama ijafika, not bado. So make sure you subscribe, you share na you comment, and still make sure you turn on that notification bell. Ikwe on every time we upload video, you'll be the first person to see the video. So today I'm having my brother here, my brother-in-law, that is, let me call him that. Yeah, he's Jack. Let him introduce himself and say hi to you guys.
So hello fans of Maggie Online TV, fans of More Classic, fans of JB, April, all that. It's another happy morning that I'm glad. I thank God for this opportunity that I can see myself here standing with my family to say hi to the world. Sindio? Yeah, so leo it's me, nimekuja ku-host Maggie kwa channel yake. Am I allowed to do that?
Yeah, you are allowed.
Okay, nice. So leo nimekuja tuongea nawe about a few things that I feel I think I have the responsibility to make sure that probably I make 1 or 2 things right.
What is that?
So number 1, okay, nimeangalia what you've been doing with Moa about nyinyi ku have a family and penye mmefika hadi sahi, because nimeona birthday, congratulations so much for the newborn that you've had. Nimeona birthday, you have a very nice angel.
Thank you.
Yeah, so birthday, that's amazing to see it coming from you. It shows how strong you are.
Yeah.
As a woman, si kila mtu anaweza fanya hivyo, by the way. You're very strong if you didn't know.
Yeah.
So mimi nimekuja nikwambia a little things about me. I feel hata nilikuwa nimesema kwa JB, channel ya JB, that I really think you guys need to see the importance of you being together, making a family, and standing for one another. Okay, yes, you can stand for one another wakati mko apart, but when you're family, when you're together, it means a lot. It brings something different that you never knew you could have. What do you think about that?
Okay.
To your own thoughts, do you think this can really happen?
It might happen. Wambia nifikishe 10k. Tuone kama
Condition. Ukola tu condition ya 10k.
Wakinifikisha 10k, kitenge tutashona. So but for now, kuna vitu tunajaribu kuzigatia. As you know, like it may happen to so suddenly.
Yeah.
That after Moa Ali declared to the world
that he still loves you.
That he still loves me.
But then, can I ask you a question? Kuna kitu nimekuwa nikifikiria sana, and I'm just curious because I think it's important to know. Do you really see a future with this guy?
I can see the future.
You, sasa wewe mwenyewe, do you see a future with him?
Okay, if it will happen, I think we can have a great future together. But shida yenye inaingilia ni the moment nimeanza kusikia nipeane moyo wangu is the moment like naanzanga kupata some barriers in my life na like I don't know what's happening.
Kuna vitu tu zina stop from you doing this.
Yeah, but unajua saa after Moa ali upload ile video,
yeah,
that akisema that he wants us to be back together.
Yeah.
Ndio my mom naye alitokea from nowhere, anaanza kutumia JB some text, and from that sijui amekuwa tu akitext na several numbers zenye even sijui anatoa wapi, akinitisha akiniambia I don't want to see you with Moa, even if nilikufanyia nini, nikiwaona pamoja what I'll do, don't regret. So nashanga it's my life. Yeah, corner life. Yeah.
Really, like But then nikuulize, does he know Moha or something? Why is she so against you being together?
Yes, she knows Moha and she anakuanga tu against kuona mimi nikiprogress na Moha. Anaonanga hiyo nyota inang'aa sana ama
kwani Moha amemfanyia nini ama anaona nyota kwa Moha?
Anaona hiyo nyota inang'aa sana so anajaribu kuizima inakataa. So but for now nisha declare I will do whatever I want. She won't stop me to do what I want to do.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, but the worst thing ni vile sasa ananitishia so because mpaka mwenye nakaa na yeye anaona hizo messages because we are using the same phone. Mpaka yeye mwenyewe anaanza kutishika, anaanza kuniambia I'm worried now because your family might come to me. Pia mimi waanze kunitumia like anaona tu uchawi. So
si ati
so sahi.
Yeah, so me what I can tell you ni kama unaogopa kuroge, just that.
Tayari ashaniroga. But I'm praying so hard that haitanishika. That's why nisha declare let me nikue Magi. I do whatever I want.
Because unajua for me on my side I'm really trying every day nikiongea na Moha. Najaribu kumwambia bro, angalia sahi like you have a family that is growing really fast. So mimi najaribu kuput in yako kwa ile state ya mind au yenyewe kitu ni kama ina make sense. Sasa sijui on your side what are you doing to make sure that is ameona yenyewe. Unajua men are really weird. Asipoona importance usikia anaweza tu.
Okay, and men can lie. So let not the words but the actions
zake.
Yeah, so the action will show me how he's trying to make the love to be perfect.
But then nikiongea naye mimi nimekuwa nikiona akona that positivity thinking that it might, but anaogopa. Sijui mbona anaogopa though.
Let him dig. Let him show me that Magi, for now I'm a changed person and I want us to be together. I mean, I'm sure I'm a changed person but for now let him show me how great his man is. How can he do when we come together? Like what can he change from me? From Magi mwenye alikuwa anajua tu mwenye yeye anataka, unaona? So wacha yeye kwanza angangane kudig in.
But I have spent a lot of time na yeye tukiongea about the same issue since I came back. Juu nilikuja nikapata all this happening na nikaona it's good because for me I will be happy. Unaona venye unasema sijui mtu anataka kuroga, imagine si wote hivi tuko familia like these old people wenye unaonanga tuko close na wewe will be itakuwa nitaje it's a big thing so atatishika na mtu yote.
Sawa, lakini wacha kwanza unajua unaambiwa kuna mtu ashaisema if you want to show me the love you have for me, show me by actions. So mimi nataka mwanionyeshe the love he has. Isikwe anakuja kunifekia, akuja ni acha menivunja moyo yangu then and bla amepotea. Or maybe he's taking advantage of me. So I want kwanza anionyeshe who is the real Moha. You know, yeah.
But he sent me a gift with me nikikuja leo kukuona. So not actually see a physical gift but amenipea something to at least kama a stepping point yako uanze kujelevate to stand on your own as a woman na uanze kunini. As for me pia nimekuja kivyangu. Number one, before ni present ya Moha nilikuwa nataka ni present kwangu. So cause ulikuwa unasema you want to settle, do all that thing. Remember I'll give you 20,000 enough can do something for you.
Na vile sina bob.
Yeah, so utalipia namba yako, I'll transfer 20,000 to you. Pia Moha the academy that we just started iko ongoing tayari. Amenitumia, ilikuwa ni jana usiku ndo nimeamka asubuhi nikapata message yake. Tulikuwa tumeongea about the same. Sasa nimepata amedeposit 30,000 kwa simu yangu. So meaning that you are going to start your classes as soon as possible. How would you say about that?
I'll be happy pia mimi nataka kutrend nipate pesa. Yeah, I'll be happy pia mimi because itanisaidia pia I guess trending ni kitu yenye najua at the end of the day I'll gain profit and I'll be able to go and pay my arrears, rent, nipewe vitu zangu and I'm so happy and I really appreciate so much.
Wanataka pesa ngapi?
They only need 34,000.
34,000? Yeah. So I can top up with 34. 35 na ya Uber. So I really appreciate you at least now nitapata vitu zangu. Yeah, and may God bless you so much by the way. Okay. For showing
that love. si rahisi. Yeah.
Pleasure is all mine. Because okay, for me, I'm really fighting to make sure you guys are okay, stand for each other. And for me, a little advice for you. If you really want to see a happy life, for me, I believe money makes families stand. And kama ujui 80% of marriages that break up in this world nakonga due to, can you guess?
Sorry?
80% of marriages that do break up, what do you think is the cause? 80% of them.
Mistrust.
No. Money.
Money. Are you sure? But nowadays, but kuna mtu nilisikia akisema eti marriage ni ya mafala.
Eti marriage ni ya mafala, but money makes marriages go down. If you didn't know.
But I don't guess that can affect me because time when nilipatananga na more, he had nothing and I had something. So I can't compare it that money it's everything. Yeah. So I believe that money is not everything. What you show me is what I consider.
Yeah. So now that umelipiwa classes, unaona this guy really cares for you, by the way. He really cares for you. So now that umelipiwa classes, hii wiki, today as we are shooting this video is on Monday. Leo siku we'll be having our first classes. Sijui uta-attend leo. We are doing classes Monday to Friday.
I have to.
So if pia wale wengine fans wa Mhwa, Magi, JB, April, all that, mwenye anataka kuanza classes pia, this is what you're going to do. Kuna namba, I guess Mwane ni Magi sasa ama ni Mhwa. Namba 2 mtaweka hapa, utaangalia namba itakuwa hapo kwa screen. Yeah. Kwa screen kwanza utapata namba hapo, iko hapo. You can call. Ukicall you'll be connected to our academy and our trading platforms, all that, where you are going to get your financial freedom. That's how financial freedom is achieved, by working with the right people who know how to do what's the right thing, how the right things are done. So kuna namba iko hapo pia kwa comment section. The first pin itakuwa our WhatsApp community ya trading. Unaweza join hapo your WhatsApp. Ukisha join, you can text me, you can text Moa, and then you'll be helped. Classes tulisema for pure beginners ni 30,000 to start. It runs for 2 months. Hizo 2 months utakuwa na few benefits to enjoy. Number 1, utapata once you join class, utakuwa unapata free trades, professional trades like zenye natumia. So you'll be able to make money as a beginner. Unaget? So nitakuwa naonyesha pia progress ya Magi is joining. Let's say umesema tunaita makesho. Leo. So I will be show you progress ya Magi every day. Nitakuwa nakuja kwa hii channel na naonyesha pale amefika, how she's doing.
Even me, I'll be updating them.
Yeah, utakuwa na update sana how everything is moving, and we are giving, can I promise your fans something?
Yes.
I'm giving them, because uni familia sasa. Only 1 month, mtakuja mwangalie who is Magi after that. You'll find that
I'll be transformed. And I'll be so happy. So guys, let's come together and do something. Trading is not just, I think that you are not going to make something out of it, but just trust the process and everything itakuwa shwari. So thank you for watching this video. I'm happy. Let's road to 10,000 and may God bless you so much.